FCR Originals has once again proven why it stands among the elite in the world of custom motorcycles. Known for their elegant craftsmanship and unmistakable retro flair, the French workshop has taken the beloved Triumph Bonneville Bobber and transformed it into something truly extraordinary. This new creation brings the perfect balance of vintage beauty, mechanical precision, and modern performance upgrades, all wrapped in timeless design. The project began with a 3D digital rendering to capture the client's vision before a single bolt was turned. This ensured that FCR's builders had a clear creative direction, avoiding any surprises during the transformation. The bike retained the signature spirit of the original Bobber, but received a full redesign that elevates its style and function to new levels. The classic Triumph fuel tank remains at the heart of the design, now finished in a textured gray paint that subtly shimmers under light, accented by sleek black graphics and a refined filler cap. Moving toward the rear, the bike features a handcrafted brown leather saddle with a reddish tint that perfectly complements the bodywork. The fenders were replaced with compact custom units, and the side covers were removed to expose the clean lines of the frame. Attention to detail continues with integrated LED taillights hidden neatly under the seat, maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. Up front, a grilled LED headlight, mounted low on the triple clamp, gives the Bobber an aggressive stance. The suspension was upgraded using inverted forks from a Triumph Thruxton, secured with billet aluminum triple clamps, while the rear features an adjustable shock factory absorber for improved comfort and control. The braking system now includes Brembo calipers and high-performance discs, while 17-inch spoked wheels, wrapped in Michelin Road 6 tires, ensure both grip and style. The cockpit sports an LSL handlebar with bar-end mirrors and LED turn signals, keeping the design clean and functional. Under the skin, FCR enhanced the engine with K&N pod filters and a custom exhaust system that delivers a raw yet refined sound. A belt drive conversion and a bespoke sump guard add both reliability and ruggedness. The finishing touch comes from the combination of gloss and matte black coatings across the frame, engine, and fenders, making the entire machine a visual masterpiece.